Hey there, Mr. Henry here, and today's video I'm doing something a little different. I've had a chance to review 3 electric drum kits from Donner: the DED-80, the DED-200, and the DED-200 Max. Each of these kits is designed for a different type of drummer, from absolute beginners to those ready for a more advanced playing experience. Today, I'll break down the key differences and help you figure out which Donner kit is right for you. Let's start with a quick overview and price point for each kit. The DED-80 is Donner's entry-level kit, coming in around $250. It's perfect for beginners, especially young beginners or anyone with limited space. The DED-200 steps things up at about $500, offering more realistic drum sizes and advanced features. And the DED-200 Max is the flagship of the lineup, priced at around $600 with upgraded hardware, larger pads, and a more authentic drumming feel. No matter which kit you choose, Donner includes everything you need to get started: the drum throne, sticks, headphones, cables, and the drum module. The DED-80. Setting up the DED-80 is pretty straightforward. The frame is lightweight, but once tightened, holds together well. It's compact, so it fits easily in small spaces, like my son's bedroom. The mesh heads are on the smaller side, but that helps keep the kit portable. The DED-80 mesh heads are a huge plus at this price, much better than rubber pads, but they are small. The cymbals are plastic with a rubber coating and have a decent response, moving naturally when struck. The hi-hat and bass drum are both pedal triggered, no separate bass drum pad, which saves space but feels less like a real kit. Let's take a listen to the DED-80. The DED-200 has a sturdier, heavier frame that sits solidly on the floor thanks to the rubber fittings they included. All screws come pre-inserted, so assembly is quick. The mesh heads are 8 inches, which is a step up in size and feel from the DED-80. For the DED-200, you get mesh heads across the kit, all 8 inches, with a responsive feel. The cymbals are also coated and can be choked, which is a nice feature for more expressive playing. The bass drum is a pad, not just a pedal, which gives a much more realistic drumming experience. Let's take a listen to the DED-200. The DED Max takes things up another notch. The frame is robust, and the kit features real drum shells and metal hoops, making it look and feel more like an acoustic drum kit. The floor tom and snare drum are larger, up to 10 inches, and the cymbals are 12 inches, giving you more playing space and a more authentic experience. The DED-200 Max offers the best playing feel. The mesh heads are larger, and the snare drum has its own drum shell and metal hoop. The cymbals are bigger and more responsive, and the bass drum pad is squishy, which is unique but comfortable once you adjust to it. The larger pads make fast playing and advanced techniques much easier to play. Let's take a listen to the DED-200 Max. All three kits feature a drum module with built-in sounds, demo songs, and educational tools. Here's how they compare. The DED-80 has 180 sounds, 15 drum kits, 30 demo songs, and a drum coach feature, which is great for beginners. The DED-200 and DED-200 Max both offer 450 sounds, 31 drum kits, 50 demo songs, and more advanced customization. You can adjust sensitivity, assign sounds, and play along with songs. Plus, there's a coaching section for skill building. All kits can be connected via USB MIDI to your computer for recording or using music software. The DED-80 is best for absolute beginners, kids, or anyone who needs a compact, affordable kit for quiet practice. The DED-200 is great for intermediate players who want a more realistic experience and more sounds, or for anyone ready to step up from an entry-level kit. And the DED-200 Max is perfect for advancing drummers who want the most authentic electric kit feel without breaking the bank. The larger pads and upgraded hardware make it ideal for serious practice and even home recording. So, which Donner kit is right for you? If you're just starting out or buying for a child, the DED-80 is a fantastic budget-friendly choice. If you want more realism and features, the DED-200 is a solid upgrade. And if you want the best Donner has to offer with larger pads and a more authentic feel, the DED-200 Max is the way to go. No matter which you choose, you're getting a lot of value for your money. And the ability to practice quietly with headphones is a game changer for any drummer. If you're interested in any of these kits, check the description box for links and a discount code. Let me know in the comments which kit you've picked, or if you have any questions. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Mr. Henry, and I'll see you in the next video.